Here I have HUAWEI P20 Pro, and let me show you how to enter the Fastboot and Rescue Mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Let's choose power off and touch power off again just to confirm the whole operation. Wait until your device will be completely switched off, and afterwards let's prepare the USB-C cable connected to your PC. Here I have such a cable. Alright, and now you have to start holding the volume down on your device right here. Keep holding volume down, and while holding this key, connect your phone by using the USB-C cable. Keep holding volume down, and now release volume down. As you can see, the Fastboot and Rescue Mode pops up in front of you. So here you can open the high suite and connect your device with your PC, or for example you can read the FRP, log status and other stuff. If you would like to quit this mode, let's start holding the power key for a long time. Keep holding power button. When the device goes black, you can release power key. You can also disconnect your device from the USB-C cable, and now let's wait until your phone will be ready to use. Alright, as you can see, everything went well. Now you can use your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.